So we start off today's video with this DIY table. So she used the plant pots for this. Wow, this is just so inspiring. So she made that version and then decided to do another one. Now this is a huge trend right now on TikTok. I've seen people make like these table designs out of the bowls that you can get from like IKEA, Walmart, but these do use the plant pot, so it's going to be sturdier, a little bit more high end, I would say, more professional, and it's probably going to last longer. I would say this is definitely an advanced project though, because this looks like a lot of work. Oh, look at this beautiful like terracotta shade she uses. That is really pretty. Pure perfection. This table is like top notch. Looks like he spent $100,000 on it. Wow. Beautifully done. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Children Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So here's someone who is going to paint their ceiling black. I feel like this is actually a huge trend, or becoming a huge trend, and we're probably going to be seeing it more in 2024, but I actually like this idea. Now, if the walls are white, I feel like it kind of makes the look more cohesive, just FYI. And then we have someone doing an IKEA lamp hack. So they took some items from IKEA. Looks like a pasta container and a bowl. And then they go in with the spray paint. We've seen this quite a few times on this channel as well, where they take the items from IKEA and turn it into a lamp. So she does like a nice little sponging technique here, fairy lights. Oh, she wraps it around the top. That's a new one. Oh, that's pretty. Very nice. Oh, 10 easy IKEA hacks. Okay. So this is pretty much like a compilation style. Items they've made using IKEA items. Now, the main reason why people like doing IKEA hacks is because IKEA is just so cheap, but you can also do like dollar store hacks or Target, Walmart, they have inexpensive stuff as well. Oh, wow. I think I like the lantern the best. That is so pretty. I love these examples, though, of like stuff that you can, upgrade and make your own. So many cool ideas. Upcycling of a Pringles can. Now I'm thinking for this one, she's probably making some type of vase. if I'm guessing. Got some clothespins here. Oh, maybe this isn't a vase. Maybe a candle holder? I mean, it's obviously one of those projects that you can use for like multiple different things. Oh, yeah, she used it as a candle holder. Very cute. Whoa, look at all those clouds. And cloud ceilings are still very much so a thing. Just FYI if you want to try it. I love the ambiance with this look, the vibe. So cool. The aesthetic is just so pretty. Can you imagine working in there? It'd be like a cool way to decorate your dorm room or your office. Very cool. Looks like we have someone doing a statement wall here. They're going with black. And then adding in that paneling. This is another like huge trend we can think because of TikTok. Like everyone loves doing the wood paneling now. So many different ways you can pull it off too. Could you imagine tearing down this wall though? That would be, it seems kind of nightmarish. Like if you ever got tired of looking at this, or if you moved and somebody else moved in, like, oh, that would be a nightmare to tear that down. Oh, I love the gold and the black wall sconces. Those are pretty. Hopefully they have like a nice big round mirror here that they're gonna put in. That came out great though, very nice. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these DIY project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.